press it for. We not see get document. I can't enter that issue. If I come here that boy they all laugh. You know that boy come Italy again.
Okay,
Another boy they come Italy.
okay, are you?
Another boy.
Wetin make you just dey sure say the boy na gay? Because you, which one be gay meeting? Which one be gay meeting where you dey talk? Gate meeting or
LGBT? Gay association. The LGBT meeting. I open one. Me a president of one.
Okay, now be say you na sure for you know they deny your own gay. Now
I not deny my own for anything. If I come out for live video, I'll sit talking.
Okay, meaning na Nigeria una for start to dey do am or na here una start to dey do am come.
Mama, this matter now we talk about. So this matter now here, because they oppress our people. Because they convert people may not be.
Let me dey talk. Where una start the gay meeting? Na from Nigeria una be gay, una come enter here, una don enter here before all of una start.
I start association gay meeting for here.
Okay. No be.
I do the association meeting for Nigeria.
Let me dey talk say where you for start to be gay.
For Nigeria, for Nigeria, as I feel come Italy, I come start association here. Okay. Mama, if you be gay, mama, you say you find help, we'll help you.
Okay.
So they get me. But not go they convert people may not be gay. But that want me to fight for. That boy, I can tell you how many people that boy don't go convert. People may not be gay. You go fuck them. You not go help them.
Yay. Okay.
If you watch from my this video that day, you see people make all the call. People make all who they call the join and who said me not even know them. If you go the comment, you go to the comment. I don't even know them. I didn't know them. Do you know how many stores that boy don't convert me not be gay?
Okay, and he go just fuck their nyan. She no bring the con you una meeting.
You know, guys that come our meeting, you know, okay. Any association. That way, not there any gay association for Italy, mama.
Okay, he know the gay association, but he no, not gay, right?
He just they do you. No gay association accept them. Because that is against our gay law. It's against the law of Europe. Okay. Don't convert anybody. It's not good for you to convert anybody. Say you want help her for document. Now waiting for so that person come out for Nigeria. Now commission need. Okay.
Nah. Oh, who they call me so? Okay, now the. I don't even. Oh God. No verse. I don't forget what I want to talk. Now the gay meeting, where you dey,
yes.
They can't bring this boy come, right? In the look for help.
Now one of his friend, that he invite her come.
Okay.
As he invite her come the meeting, this boy he come go my Facebook, he come go our association Facebook. He can't go back all the username of everybody made the association, mama. Can't go the right them.
Now white in the right, so all the black people where they inside.
The black boys with the kind document.
The Nigeria boys, okay.
Yeah, you can't go the right them. They invite them come. Mama, I give the one me don't forbid me there here. I give her for when he may explain to you. If this boy say he no married man, if he say no be man first cap and put for house, say he boyfriend. Now this matter now pursue another man say pursue come out for us. We will send you the letter when he write. The letter may take purpose document. We will send and give you mama.
Okay, this game meeting will not day so. Every city for Italy get their own or not just one. All the boys go join.
Every city get their own. Every city get their own.
No, Holland get their own also.
Yes, Holland get their own.
For Nigeria or for Igbo, me no say Holland a gay country now. For Igbo, for our Nigeria boys, let me they ask. Holland still get their own association.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And this boy, he reach there. He can't do gay. They can't fucking yash. Then he can't start to the carry people. They go they say.
The boy now get right for time. Right for time.
right from Nigeria. Okay, now it be the Nigeria problem where happen between una.
That one, what happen between me and him for Nigeria, Now, he get one day, one of my guy for Nigeria, he come go dey threaten that one. That time for Nigeria.
That one is still gay.
Papa carry.
That one is still gay.
Yes, my papa na carry him come Europe. You get me? So if you come Nigeria for business, you go come dey do like a waka akate. You understand now? So when you see me one day, they make I go up and buy recharge card. I say, yeah, you need respect. I need respect. They crazy. So that one, I don't count down do anything. When I come sit down for Europe here, auntie, he say na so na president too. Na so that I call the respect him. Mama, I call the fear at that time.
Okay, president of what? President of gay or president of what?
Yeah, president of gay auntie.
For Italy. He can say he be president of gay of Italy.
Of a group, say na president of gay of a group, which na lie.
Okay.
The problem let me and that boy get
me one let me know the problem where you and the guy get. If me don't know the problem, my body they tell me say you never talk the truth.
If they convert people may not be gay. If they convert people may not be gay.
And you want make them be gay, happy?
No, I don't. It's against the law. I don't want them.
Okay, you don't want the
don't
people.
Don't convert anybody. Don't take advantage of.
Oh, network do no man now,
Don't take advantage of. Don't take advantage of anybody. Now me the fight for. Just hear me.
As you dey talk so.
If they take advantage of boys, just they take advantage of boys. Because say if you know say yes, if you tell them say una no need document, they'll say also go say they need document too. They'll go open that shoulder. Now give the best mate.
Okay, wait.
Give the best mate.
Okay, where this gay of 18 now for the boys, Not be say that.
Mama, excuse me, mama.
Okay.
I be human being. I deserve some respect of my social life.
Yes.
Don't go deep on my social life. You are fighting for somebody. You are fighting for the right of people.
I'm hearing you now.
They ask me the question when somebody call report. The question made they go deep now my private life and I don't like it. So they get me. No. I don't want my group man not go report to you, may not know one know anything. I make I call you. My lawyers make I call you.
No, the problem is same, my brother.
Mama Gladys gossip. When Mama Gladys gossip put our picture for YouTube. Mama lawyer say I see come Mama Gladys. Mama Gladys say explain give me say yes. When this boy send our picture, now he say if he we must contact her. Now take contact
when una call Gladys, come out una video or una picture for there. When una lawyer say no na call her. When
I'm not ashamed of who I am. I tell me not come out.
Okay, I think say lawyer. I think say your lawyer say make come out.
No, my lawyer say make I call her, make I confirm, make I tell her what happened. Now tell Mama Gladys what happened. Because my lawyer know Mama Gladys. He say yes, Duma is fighting for the right of people. Then he believes Mama Gladys.
Okay, but the problem right now, why me they always surprised why una they fight this boy. This boy say he no be gay. Una say na gay. Now your word against your own word. So which one I say no believe? Anybody go feel. That's why I want to ask you deep questions so that I'll know who they talk to inside, yeah?
Mama, may I give the best middle for victim of this boy. After I give him, I'm not sure you sabi speak Italian. But I will send you letter when this boy don't write with your document.
Send and come. I get people berekete wey sabi speak Italian like say na water. I get people wey married to Italian. Send and come. not be problem to translate Italy.
Make I give person me for BT for me follow you talk. Make you cause it you use another phone. Take all this boy mama. Like what I for like. You for use another phone. Take call am now. Say this boy dey online. Make we dey say igbenu.
Say
They get me. You for use another phone. Take call am.
say whether in a gay or not,
They will
he
be
no be
online.
gay.
Say we dey online. Say either he no be gay.
But he say he no
I
be.
will just
He say he no be gay.
Mama, okay.
I don't understand why that one
Mama
come
make
be.
I send you. Mama make
Or
I send you.
for
Mama make I
una
send
law,
you.
anybody
You
wey
get
don be
anybody for
gay must
you
stop
get
saying
anybody
he
for
be gay.
Italy. Mama, you get anybody for Italy.
I get a lot of people for Italy, a lot.
Give them my number. Mama, give them my number.
For
Give them my number. If you give them my number, tell them say, okay, make me and them meet. Make I carry them.
Jesus.
Go to you go my house. Go if I marry this people for us. Make them go ask this my question. So they get me. He say not be gay. Okay. Give them my number. I permit you to give them my number.
Okay, but if I want ask just now, you go say me I no go deep. But all this one wey they tell me na deep. That's why I want ask deep. Wetin una dey gain? Una dey do am say e dey sweet or they give una money?
Commission. Mama, Italian lawyer, Italian judge can never ask that kind of question. So what are they gain? That's an African mentality.
But that's why me. That's why I no find a big deal if somebody say I no be gay. You leave am. But why una want make sure say this boy must prove say he na gay? Now that one be African mentality wey me no like. If person say he na gay, you leave am. If person say he no be gay, you leave am.
Mama, listen. Mama, listen. We no dey tell am say make prove say he na gay. We dey tell am make he stop to dey convert people may be gay. Make stop to dey convert people may not be gay.
But that one not be una problem. Now this life, now people they pimp woman for a shower. So if men don't become gay na market, people must be smart. Or anybody wey can be mafia boss on top of other men, nyash. Now good one for her now. The time where guys they use their toto they work. Now person that they go use and work for.
Mama, excuse me. It's like you are not fighting. It's like you are not really fighting for the right of people.
I'm fighting for the right of people, but I don't like oppression. What you guys are trying to do, you guys want to do a boss in gay market. No, don't let it be like that. You want to do your gay, do your gay. The other one want to do it gay, make do it game.
Mama, he say he not be gay. He tell say he not be gay.
He say he not be gay. Now they say not gay. Oh yeah, way he not be gay.
Wait, he say no. James say he not be gay.
No, he say he not be gay.
Jesus. Okay. Just listen to the person he first for victim. You listen to the person he first for victim, The letter when he write, commission. When he and your man time, we will send and give you.
Okay. Oh yeah, give that one. Me. Oh yeah, give him.
Oh yeah, proceed. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, ma. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So, now you be the victim.
Yes.
You be small boy or big boy?
Huh?
Are you a small boy or a big boy? Like, are you under 18 or above 18?
I be big boy.
You are above 18 years old?
Of course.
So what were you looking for that made them to rape you? Should I call it rape? Is it rape in gay word or there is another thing you guys call it?
Of course.
Okay, it's also called rape.
Of course.
Okay, so how did you fall a victim of rape? How did you become a victim of rape?
Since the so-called James, he dey deny now say he no be gay. Yes, I happy for that word. Okay. I happy for that word. Then he talk say he no be gay. He go talk wetin as he no be gay. Wetin concern am as to follow me. Say as he dey present himself as president of Africa Ash Gay, that he dey fight for the gay people, mostly in Nigeria people wey dey this Europe. He dey present himself say na him be the president. He dey fight for their right. You know, if you want to go commission or if you see you for any of gay meeting, first person we go start to ask you, my dear, do you get document? Once you say no or you don't want commission, you say no. You go tell you say there's no problem. You should relax. That will give you document that is working with the commission. He's doing translator. He be president of the association. He representing Nigeria in Europe here. You feel me? So
then,
he started asking me, do you get document? I said no. He said okay. He said when be my commission date? I told this guy, see, both of my commission date. They hear me.
And they hear you. And they hear you.
He asked me, say, when the commission date? I told this guy, see the day of the commission date. He said, okay. He said, we need to arrange later all those things that I will carry go the commission day, on my commission day. I said, no problem. That time, this boy was living with a white man, the white man with the Marian for Monza, outskirts of Milano. Everything point out the address of the house. Since you see the thing, I say, you know, be good. I happy at this matter, so they come out like this. Okay? He said, he go write the letter for me. Then, he don't write the letter. I should come and collect the letter. I should not tell my brother. I said, okay, no problem. This one where in the for God and man, I don't carry any evil part. I don't carry as in anything saying about it or say my fear say or this guy feel do me bad. They feel me.
And when you come reach there,
I should not tell my brother. I should not tell the girl with the in charge of the association, white girl.
Okay.
With the in charge of our association for our city. I should not tell anybody that I'm coming to your house. As in, I was sure. Why this guy they tell me all those things? I should not tell anybody when they closer to me that I'm coming to your house. All those things. You know, I was surprised when I reach your house. You know, I see many guys there. They are drinking just like party. Sure, you get me. When we come, we all of us we start the drink. Ask me where the letter, because my city is far from its own city, so that you should give me the letter. My quick, go back to my side. Then I still there camp. The feeling. So this guy was as in trying to delay me that I should not worry that one of his secretary never put a signature for the letter. He's waiting for the secretary to come and sign the paper so that he will stamp the letter. I said, okay, can I see the paper you write? Let me read the paper. He said, no, he said it's Italian that he used to write the letter because most of the commission, they don't speak English. Now, true, this guy, they speak Italian well. Check get me. So, as in, after like a couple of hours, as in, everybody don't drink, they okay, we chop or all those things. As in, I don't just know what happen. When I can't get myself, I sleep, I be waiting.
That time, don't do one. You don't do the thing.
Yes. Yes. As in, he still ask me, say, whether I go still go my sister. I thought I say, what did happen? You know, he said I should forget anything will happen. If I don't leave the data, I should forget everything will happen.
They not coming yet. Wait, 1 minute. Let's see. Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
It's me, but because I saw that you brought my picture.
Okay, call me back, sir. I did with another person for line. Yeah? Call me like 30 minutes time. 30 minutes time.
30.
Hello? So now so it take break Guignash. So since then now, did you go to police to go report, or you can't become one of them?
Mama, this guy was is like threatening me. that if I let anybody know, as in inside there, they reject me for the commission upon the letter. They reject me for the letter. This guy still called me. He told me yes that he purposely write the letter to destroy my document. That Igbo person do of fucking up right from Nigeria, so that you will make sure any Igbo person when near him say that person no go see peace for your life. The word just sound like a stranger word for my ear. They finish. That's it. Even if Igbo person do you bad thing, I mean I'm not the one that do you the bad thing. This guy was the person. If this guy come my house, I they do shoro. If I pay shoro money for shoro, I go use the money. After they don't give me the negative, the project say okay. The rules when they give for autonomous side, if you go commission to that, they give you negative. You have to leave the camp. You know. So I was managing myself. The little money I see on shoro, this guy go come. I will use this money, buy a goosey. This guy is the one that commanding me that see the kind of food I want to eat.
Okay, my brother, meaning even the gay meeting one a day, not be so that they use a hammer, person still they use una as guests of those days, right? You can't start to the go work. You go work, you can't cook a goosey soup for her. Abi?
Mama, that is this guy, that is this James Wong.
Okay. In a pimp. In a pimp for now.
Yes.
Okay, for Italy, gay pimp no be crime also because Mama Nyash na crime. Why gay no go be crime?
Now crime because this guy always they force people. For example, if I ask you that do you have document? You say no. It's okay. Have you been in commission for the first time? You say no. It's okay. You should come. I will arrange story for you. Maybe for example, if you tell you that see story, you will talk in commission. Without say no, I don't want to talk this story because I'm not a gay. You will say no. You will help you. You will do everything so that everything will do okay. The same thing. This guy is sleeping with people that is not gay. Influence of to get document. Inside there, this guy will not help. He not go do anything. Say, okay, since I don't sleep with this guy, let me help this guy. May you get the document.
He go just chop nyash like that. Okay. Pepper, he not go give you now.
Yes. You see this guy, upon all those things where this guy do me, this guy still stand. Open mouth tell me say, since I know agree they come in house again, I should useless go and meet my useless pastor. Let me paint. If I will get document. Since I know agree they come in house again, I should go and meet my useless pastor. So I make my pastor help me get the document. You know?
Una fit send me some video of proof say all of una na gay because even una say me I not believe una. You fit send me some proof of video where Nigerian man like Igbo voice now. Either you dey suck Oyibo or Oyibo dey suck your then they fuck your nyan. Definitely una soon start to the video
Mama, they hear me.
Yes.
You see this boy, upon everything where this boy do, what why I can say he no be God. He no be God. And the God why they serve, no they sleep. This document, I must surely get them because I never block anybody own. That since this guy use here say I don't get document. Now so this guy start the trouble in life saying the trouble me.
Okay, you don't join the Meme Gay Club now, Abi?
Now what I be? We get I did the association now what I be?
Okay.
Now what they pay this guy? Now because of one guy where this guy form. When the guy go tell the Igbo man where they marry this guy, now the Igbo man pursue this boy come out for house. Now make this boy draw the paper, body draw the paper as the body the paper as all the body go they see the paper and they go.
Okay.
He say data now. I don't say see this where you say I did in the high. Make sure yourself now. He say you don't stay 14 years for Italy here. In the speak Italy. Oh God. Hello, Mama. Mama. You know what will happen? You know what will happen?
Okay.
I want free. You know what I want? Mama.
I bet send me some video. Because
I will still send you. I go still send you some picture, some message. When they threaten me, they tell me say that he go show me say he be real for this Italy. White people know him.
Send me.
Speak the language. That he go use our friend.
No, I need some videos of our boy because una no fit us say as una really come dey proud of it now. Say una no dey get video.
Hello, mama. Hello, mama.
Yeah.
Hello, mama.
Yeah.
Hello, mama. You know, I be activist for this for Italy,
Okay.
I be activist. Love me the guide woman, I the guide gay. Should they get me?
Yeah.
So I no go take that advantage. Say I go defend trouble with waka.
Okay.
Should they get me? I no take that advantage. I go defend trouble with waka. Mama Gladys, before Mama Gladys, bring my bishop come out. Say when he tell the bishop to Mama Gladys call the lawyer. Say lawyer, you talk about the video. Now make my lawyer say I come Mama Gladys. He say lawyer tell am say may not show our face for the video. You know what you do for me, Mama?
Yeah.
Hello.
I dey hear you. Na my children.
You come out for live video. You come out for live video today.
No, today not. Tomorrow. I'm too busy. I never finish it.
Okay, if you write me the time you take come out,
Tomorrow.
Not tell James say you don't contact us. Should they get me?
Why?
No, just I want me you do.
Why? And tell me the planning. Now you know if you plan with me, I can't be like zombie.
No,
I can't go live, then you can't the plan the OT on top of my bokolo head. No, tell me the planning. What will be the plan?
No, I know the plan. I know the listen to me now. You say the time for people. Now make I call you, Mama.
Okay.
I know what they do.
Okay.
I know what they do.
Okay.
I swear, if anybody post my picture pass this one again, I see them my Gladys. If anybody post my picture pass this one again, anywhere you for this school.
But when your picture, me never even see your picture. May you send a come for me.
My picture, Mama Gladys post my picture.
Me, I don't see am. Now the boy picture.
I be gay. I'm married to a gay. I'm married to a gay. I'm married to a gay.
Me, I know they.
So they get me.
You know they. Why they do now for body gaga? You know they do me for body. As you say, you be gay. So for me, it's your own business. But the one way me not like, the boy say I not be gay. You go leave one. But now say this one again, that one again. For that not be like that. Who ready to do it for outside? Do it for outside. Who ready to do it for inside house? You understand?
Mama, this boy married to a white man before.
I know people say I know, but even at that, now your own cup of tea, nobody have right to come they prove am. But if you really get better proof,
why don't they post my picture? Why don't they send my picture and keep on my gratis?
Because he say he no be gay. Say now God they put am for your own head. Say him be. And Gladys can't really post in your picture.
Mama,
you understand? Gladys can't post the picture. We don't like to say Gladys post the picture.
Mama, when we call Mama Gladys, we tell Mama Gladys they put this boy online. And they like fast, and I know they like corner this thing. When this boy called that time, I probably said that day, if the boy contact you, contact me back. That puts me at that boy for call. What did I tell you? Say, call, use another phone, call this boy.
What did happen?
I told you just now. I tell you, that answer question. When you hear this boy talk, now truth have been a lie. He said everything are truth. He said no, we forgive her.
Okay, wait, did Dada now also gay?
Dada not be gay, Dada not presenter like you.
Okay, I don't know.
He's a presenter with a wisdom man. He present with a wisdom.
Okay, I don't know that. I don't know. Maybe because they present with wisdom. We they present wisely. That's why we don't know each other.
Ik heb maar 3 bakjes gepakt, want ze hadden maar 3 bakjes en zwarte plakband.
So, what do you want to Mama? If you come out for life, call that boy. Make us matter say he not be gay. Again, may you call us. Call that boy. Make that boy come say he not be gay. Make we hear for him say he not be gay for life.
But he don't talk on yesterday. Oh, I saying now better responsible born proud Edo boy na toto in the doing not the do nyash. He don't talk on yesterday, una no ye.
We not yet. I never want to reach here.
Go watch and reach there. He talk on yesterday. Say na toto in the do, he no the do nyash. He no know why na they put nyash for yet.
Did I send you a picture?
He don't send me a picture. Where? Na fine guy. Okay. But does that mean say some gay no even define self? Me, I'm not sure. So this una black gay meeting, una go define. Abi?
Thank you. Just say no be gay.
Just say no be gay.
Mama, you know find banana boy like that boy, mama.
Egbe me o, you na meje wa win and say boy.
Me personally is a put trouble for your head.
Woman, you don't confirm me. I dey hear you. Mama, women no as women sharp read, they no be.
You feel cut that one of them.
I don't even know that be the thing. Me, I never hear who be that one day. Maybe because you say they present with what? Wisdom. And we they present wisely. You see, we different. Now, why, but now WW, but he ain't he different. In the that they present with wisdom, me they present wisely. Mama, so we don't know.
Me go want me to talk this. Mama, me go want me you investigate this matter. We and that boy, may you know who be truth, who be liar.
But the truth don't come out, my brother now. He say he no be.
Which one be the truth?
The truth be say you accept say now you be very good. He say he no be. Case closed. Abi? But no, if you want proof and more, my brother, send me video. I want to me self. I don't even believe say you na in. You just they use until they do boy, but you they look for paper. Me, I want see proof. Real gay, not the shame. They do action. I want see proof of a video of our boys.
I get my document. My document not had me.
Oh yeah, send me some proof. Now, clear all those small boy one that they recruit. Send me when that they suck or when that they suck them. Or when that they break them.
Mama, I know they recruit. How that boy will shock in the world? Tell me say he poster paga. That boy is a prostitute. He's a gay prostitute. I'm not a gay prostitute.
You don't marry.
I'm not a gay prostitute.
Okay, you don't marry gay, Abi. You not the prostitute. Abi?
Mama, Mo send you letter.
Mona send me picture. Mona send me video. Join now.
Nog één.
Mama, I not send you video of my nakedness. I'm not trying to rubbish.
Okay, what of other boys? Some people must there. Now you know I shower that time. Some people know the videos.
Mama, I cannot send you. Mama, I don't. If you are in Europe, and you are a good presenter, for you to post somebody's picture without his permission, you know the case. I cannot send the other person's video. I
did not post your picture, but if your picture come, I will post it. The social media law, there is no law of posting. I'm telling you, no law that is against posting. Otherwise, now me for don't arrest people. People they post my children picture, but there is no law in posting. Just bear it, go your way, or you fuck out of social media. That's how police will judge it. Let us not lie. Even the highest lawyer will tell you, leave social media for idiots. That's what
somebody
they will tell
you. Mama, I know somebody. Maybe let's go post a picture. Now see his friend. When somebody go post a picture 2019. Last year. The boy may go post a picture. He did prison now.
You know why? Because you know why?
Because the person is not a social media president.
You know why? You know why? Make I tell you why now. The reason why person go post your picture, you go prison. If not your neighbor, if not your friend, if not your brother, if not your sister, if not your colleague. But say now you there Italy, me there here, we don't know each other. I can post your picture. So far I not post your Ikea. Now let that one. Your picture I can post it, nothing they happen. You understand? So far I not post nudes. Now let nudes. Now ain't no good.
That's what the letter. the letter they screenshot the letter sent to me. The letter made James right for the commission. Say not begin.
Mona send me. So when you go they do, una not they even take picture for this una get this thing. Una not the kiss. At least if you don't want to show me bonbon, show me the time where they romance, where two men they romance and kiss. You understand?
Mama, I don't get her to send that. Mama, I don't get her to send that kind of picture.
I know that they say that you send me now. Just to make sure say we.
No, Mama, I don't get right. No, Mama, I don't get right. No.
We prove James say yes. James.
Mama, I don't get right. I don't be small kid. Mama, I don't be small kid for the association. Hey, so if I go against the association, Mama. If I go against the association, Mama,
But now when
Mama,
James no they accept una now. What una want to do to una for the association? Now when James they deny una.
No, I appeal for this. Since you say it make her clear for that your video too. We'll go download her, Mama. So I respect you so much, and I dey watch your this now sleep catch me yesterday. If not, as the call finish, I for call.
You see?
That yesterday me for call. As I come from work, I tire. Sure they get me. As the call finish yesterday, me for call. Maybe your program, if I call end around 2 o'clock the night.
Yeah.
As James declare say no became Mama, I'm very, very happy. And God will bless you for the interview you interview.
So Mona go cut that one. Mona use and take block his business. May not get customer again. You understand? May nobody they carry.
Thank you very much, Mama.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yeah. Please, there should be no killing of each other. Mona just let her be everybody.
Mama, you don't get my number for WhatsApp now, If James, anything they tell you, Mama, what I'll tell you, I will like me you call that one or tell me because now I see that one.
I don't know.
Anything, no. Anything this is what they tell you. Anything this is what they write you for phone, I beg, Mama, the screenshot and you get picking for you. I beg. Anything they tell you, it can tell you A today and it will deny it tomorrow. When I see that one of them, that one of them doesn't lie the talk. Mama, I beg, this matter, use gay matter, use your brain, Mama, for Europe. Use your brain, Mama.
Wetin gay they do for Europe? Because me, I fit tell you say, na me don't live with gay people past you because Netherlands country, na gay country. So I don't live with them. See, they are normal people. Why Nigeria they turn their own to something else now?
Mama, me fit tell you that Netherlands, Me fit tell you that Netherlands they so, That means I'm really they so. The association me they there, so I still get power for there. I just tell you.
But how you tell they get power?
Mama. Mama, if you be gay friend, If you be gay friend, if gay go report you, Mama. Your own friend go deny you. I'm telling you the truth. Your own gay friend go deny you.
What when I call the gay inside? Let me they ask una now because another gay say go work.
Mama, waiting man and woman they gay the test. Mama, waiting man and woman they gay the test.
Na pikin now they go born, they go enjoy themselves, they go touch breast, they go suck bobby. Wetin they come they suck for una own chest?
Man not get bobby.
Man get bobby.
Mama, na your life.
Bobby na breast, Bobby. Oh, this man, why they do like this? Never call me on Ning. Go me finish him in you first. Hello, I dey hear you.
Now the life nobody like to follow, Mama.
Be me no quarrel puto. You see me say me a day against you since no, but I just want make you prove the person when you say na gay. Prove and to me by sending me picture when he was kissing man to man. At least kissing.
Okay. Now let my picture deal with me. Now let my picture deal with me. We here deal with them.
Only where you the kiss, they with you. Where you the kiss, they with her.
He dey with am, so na you. My own and my own. Na privacy.
But why una come they bring each other nyash come out now?
Now if I go send our picture, go give Mama gratis. On Wednesday. Now Mama gratis post our picture.
He say no be him do am.
Mama, I saw that boy the lie. If you tell you something today, call her tomorrow. Okay, no you do, Mama. Ask her who be Michele. Ask her who be Michele.
But if I tell you, say yesterday our contract and business don't finish, you will believe me. I know they get time for that one. As you there, yes. So 30 minutes time, then somebody will get another case go call me. I don't finish that one. I don't go. You understand?
No problem.
And we settle on yesterday. They say he no be gay. Una go leave her and do he no go touch una things again. Mona not touch it things again. If from now upward.
Mama, we know they need how this.
Okay, so now upward, what una go do be say? Anytime na tell say they do gay, Timo na video and poster na that time. If na proof una bring come so. Una come say Monica that boy na gay. See the proof. I go the year. But say na gay, he write me. I know all those ones not they do me. You understand? As I say, who be gay, use the mouth talk say I not be gay. You don't finish. The one where be gay say I be gay. I not beat anybody now. Now abroad we are the ancient.
No problem. I never watch and read here before. I go watch and read here now.
Oh yeah, go watch and read there. Wait for dinner now.
Okay, now thank you.
You welcome. My people, I'm me rock my way now. Why that's right? Oh my God. Lola, what have you done there? Make black come marry my picky. God forbid. If you give ya shower. Hello. Sorry. Oh, I did like. I did like. Okay, wait. I did like 1 minute. I be you want to ask for information. Quickly ask me. I just finished waiting. I they do for video because I want to post on your Wonder shall never end. What made me rock bar? Yes, salapwame. If you shower with biele, I wait problem. Right now. If you shower versus if you gay, you know. Oh, Baba. I've heard those say we become like this. Too much of everything is bad. When my people begin to do like say for abroad, I know say we come to this extent. We definitely come to the extent where some of them Hello, my darling. Alpha. I did Instagram. You tell me to give Instagram.
Oh, it is Instagram.
Hey, come on, yes, story. You miss. Hey, I'm gonna post the video. I just wait me reach 1 hour. I am going to post the video.
Okay, the video you make.
The video I'm making, I never finish safe.
Okay.
Where somebody for they say in a gay, say Italy boy the gang Nigeria gay club.
Okay.
Where they put boys. Igbo people, I beg Lolo, what happened to them? Now you will go and now you near the pass.
Say wait.
At a time, what can happen to Igbo boys?
What kind of rubbish question is that? That is my family member.
You be family member. You be family member of Igbo.
They be my in-law, and the in-law I have, they are not that type to see them.
This one where Igbo people come there, not be small thing. Oh, call me.
Not be all Igbo people, I beg some Igbo people. some Igbo people, not all Igbo people.
Definitely no all. Single mother wey we dey talk now, all we dey talk before, not be some. Definitely some. It can never be all. Oh, come in.
Tell me the video where you post for Facebook.
You say?
I don't know the video where you post for Facebook where one boy they talk WhatsApp.
No, this one we are go post now. That be the original one. That one a photocopy.
Ah, okay.
Now this one. Now this one be the real original one. That one na photocopy. Very welcome.
The way they show themselves for Tatilicious video, you know that you say now what they done they do be that. Me I don't need anybody. Me tell me say see what they done they do.
I mean not be make me the ask say wetin come dey worry Igbo people. Some Igbo people.
The way they show themselves for that woman, obviously show say they don't enter another level. No be as they share one way, two of them they talk rubbish. Yes, now it's obvious already long ago when that thing happened. Where they do. It's obvious. Obvious. Say they don't turn their life to another thing.
Terrible.
I want to do video for careful. I want to do video for Facebook. The account of Akudu Benson wife. People want me to help. People want to help. Come and help. It cannot be there because that thing has been away for 1 week. How can it be where somebody's So
terrible. Now Libya, you are right, my lady. Now Libya cause this one for their body. I must follow ground, enter abroad. See what it cause parents. See what it cause them. Oh.
Alright then. See you guys later. So they come confess.
They don't confess. Not be that lie. They confess like seriously serious. No need of hiding things again. It's good. No more hiding things. Now John come out. Now bro, now they, una papa, una mama need to know. Some before they die, make they cry. Make they know say the money where they shop, some of them are nyash. Oh! They don't shop.
They say they go.
They don't shop Bekun's money sote na nyash. Na nyash money they come they eat now. Here's Salobra.
My Nigerian brother. How is that one in the bed? Is he Nigerian also? Yeah. How are you, my baby?
That one I see another one. Clap.
Okay. How are you, sweetheart? These two be like husband. Okay, then take him.
Dewey.
This one is a...
Hey, what? The husband get money, no need to help. We have been together for 18 years. The best husband. Who is that? They not just the shame again. Lolo is the husband not helping her. Libya not do anything. Lolo is very right. Most of them are the ones calling to go and sucking tata breath. Why helping her? Who the one help?
Akudu Benson wife.
Okay, who talk and say me the help her?
Now me bring the account number, me the call help her.
Una don't see her now?
Yes, now. I don't see the woman. I don't find her. I don't collect her account number.
Where she dey?
She dey. Kaku the best. I dey wait, make 24 hours reach. Whether I don't cover up a mess. Because a mess, see the smell. He didn't call anything. He don't even want to know where she is. They don't find the woman. They don't carry her. She need help.
Oh yeah, now. Now where sabi help? Oh yeah.
We wait sabi help. This one will help am before.
No be you. Now social media people. Until now, 95% of Igbo men are bisexual.
Who they not?
Did you hear that, Lolo? 95%.
Yes, and if this, even this guy, that Nollywood actor, they accuse him that time. You know.
Oh, forget where he's.
One of my favorite Nollywood actors. I love that guy. He looks so handsome.
95% are bisexual. You don't mean it.
They have this. You don't remember that Nollywood actor when you married, you get trouble. That. That boy, Ken. I so love Ken. I love Ken so much.
We have been together for 18 years.
They've been together. That means her own husband, she means. Yeah, it's possible. Me also. But hey.
Oh, God's glory na the four way Lolo dey. Igbo people na bad things then for they see them. Monica Abel leave Lolo.
Not be all of them, some of them.
When they start to the shop Aduro we gay, I know say water don't pass Gary. Not yes, true. Now so it still do. When our guests start to the shop Aduro with lesbian, all of them turn to lesbian until their head correct. Yes. nah, gay. Yeah, I live now. Instagram na bye bye. Me I go still busy with another thing, Gary. If another any other interesting one, I shall invite my Instagram family to come and hear. My ear cannot hear it alone, okay? 30 minutes where I give them, I never complete. But my lady, you say her husband do help her yesterday. My sister. Now so where I talk, now so where they tell me. Now so Lolo talk, now you never still know what go come out tomorrow. You hear? So make we all the wash waiting they go on. Oh yeah, Instagram people do it.